What's it, the John Squad? This is John Pillen here, and I hope you have such a blessed day today, because guess what? Today, I am going to show you what I got off of Amazon. What I ordered off of Amazon that came in the mail. So here we go. Let's do the show. This is called Amazon Unboxing, so I'm going to show you what I got off of Amazon. So here we go. I'm so excited for this. Here we go. Let's get this open here, shall we? No, it's hard to open up these things. I don't know how to open up these things, but here we go. I want you all to take a guess what you think is inside here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, hope you got it right. Okay. See? And it is so cool what this thing is. This is so hard to open in John Squad. I apologize for this. So excited to show you guys what this thing is. I bet you did see it there. It is a Knuckles plush. Look at this right here. From Sonic the Hedgehog Knuckles. Look at this. Knuckles right here. Now I have Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles. The three guys. I like Sonic. I'm a fan of them. Is Knuckles, so this is what he looks like right here. I like him a lot. He's the best. So now I also have Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles, and that's what I have. So anyway, that's what I have. So anyway, once again, the John Squad, please like this video, leave your comments down below for Sonic the Hedgehog, and subscribe for more. You're all the best, John Squad. All right, and slap a like on it if you want me to review this thing, because I'm going to show you how to review this thing. So here we go. Peace out, the John Squad. God bless. Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles I have. Peace out, guys. God bless. Look at him.
Why is it like wobbly?